Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Ganga Realty's newly launched project Ganga Anantam 85, which is located in Sector 85 Gurugram. In this teaser we will be discussing about below points like project overview, booking process, launch discounts, offers, saleable area and many more. So let's start. First one is project overview. This project, that is Ganga Anantam 85, will be constructed on 5.3 acres of land parcel having 3 towers which will be having different floors, that is 55 to 57 residential floors having 3 BHK plus 7 plus puja room and 4 BHK plus 7 plus puja room premium residences. Now let's talk about the location. So the project is located off Dwarka Express in Sector 85 with Ellen Miracle Mall just 1.2 kilometers, Delhi Public School which is 1.9 kilometers from the project, as well as Dwarka Express which is 1.5 kilometers, as well as Delhi Ajmer Express which is just 3.9 kilometers from the project, and upcoming metro is 5 kilometers from the project. Now let's talk about the amenities part. So the project has ultra luxurious 50 plus amenities with a 1 lakh square feet clubhouse, 4 infinity pools, open air restaurants, as well as kids play area, gymnasium and many more wonderful amenities. Now let's do the master plan and saleable area analysis. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of Ganga Anantam 85. Here you can see 3 towers, that is Tower A, Tower B and Tower C, with luxurious amenity spaces as well. Let's talk about the saleable area of the project. Has 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium apartments with 3 BHK saleable area of 2,392 square feet and 4 BHK of 3,101 square feet saleable carpet area. Now let's talk about the floor plan. The floor plan of all the 3 towers is same. Each floor will have 4 flats, 8 lifts and 2 staircases. Now let us have a look at the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK. This is the unit plan of 4 BHK. Now let's discuss the booking process. Project booking window is now open. Clients can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project details along with the project 3D model. We'll show the pricing and we'll share the pricing and payment schemes, and we'll also show you the sample flat as well. And if after all of this, if you like the project, then you can book by paying a token. This token will be of 15 lakhs and it will have multiple benefits. Exclusive launch discounts and offers. All the token holders will get exclusive launch discounts and offers over and above others. Preference and flat selection. All the token holders will be called on the first day of the launch to choose their respective apartments. 100% refundable means after giving the token, if the client doesn't want to move ahead for any reason whatsoever, this token is 100% refundable without any deduction. So everyone, this was the teaser of Ganga Realty's newly launched project Ganga Anantam 85, which is located in Sector 85, Gurugram.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.